And then I'll put this with here.
Hey, Sammy!
Whoa!
What are you doing?
Hi, Raj! I'm building my own garage! And I made this race car!
Are you serious?
Don't worry, I can make one for you as well and we'll play together!
Sammy, don't take offense, but as an experienced crafter, you could have made something sturdier.
I know, it's just Sue left end. She lost all our crafting stuff. She's afraid that I would make a mess without her. Anyway, plasticine is all I'm allowed to play with today.
All right, buddy. Then plasticine it is. Come on, let's make you a nice race car. Okay. These are good. Oh, guys, you're already here.
I'm here too, Raj, and I can't wait any longer. Come on, let's get started.
Hold your horses. We should pick a car model first.
Yoo-hoo!
I see you're hinting at something already.
Yeah!
So, we're going to make a Toyota Supra? That's an awesome ride!
Would you just start already?
Guys, give us a thumbs up and we'll get started! So first of all, we're gonna need a lot of plasticine, but this one won't do. This brick block is definitely better.
That's what I call working mode.
Guys, we're gonna start with cutting a rather thin slice of plasticine from this thing. Please be very careful with the knife and watch out for your fingers.
If there is plasticine, there should be a rolling pin, right?
Actually, I might have a better idea. Where was it? Now this would be more convenient to work with.
Shiver me cheddars! I've never used that device before.
Well, buddy, today is your lucky day. Check this out. Oh! We are going to do this a couple of times more so that in the end, we get a piece of plasticine of about 1 millimeter thick.
Something tells me that I'm gonna be surprised a lot today. Do you agree, people? Then don't forget to subscribe!
One more thing for the preparation stage. These are the templates of how our car should look from every angle. And here we have the same parts, just already cut out from a piece of paper.
Holy cannoli! Roger, are you saying that our car will be that detailed?
You bet. Trust me. You're gonna be surprised by how many tiny pieces we're gonna make today. We'll start with the bottom part. Don't rush here, guys, because the cutter is usually rather sharp. And this is what you should get, guys. Whoop!
I think such delicate work needs a team effort. Tell me how I can help, Raj. I'm at your service.
As you can see, I'm adjusting this piece so it'll have space where the wheels will go.
Then you're gonna need 4-wheel arch liners. I'm on it.
And this piece needs an original automobile relief. Whoop! Guys, there's no need to rush during this craft. It's quite complicated, so ask an adult to help. And one more thing. Special tools for plasticine like these will really come in handy for this craft. You can ask your parents to buy them for you. Here we go. Great!
Holy cannoli, somebody was prepared. I wonder what the foil's for.
The foil will not only make some car parts distinguishable, but it will also strengthen its core. Well, check this out, guys. Looking good, huh?
And here's what I've made. Will you let me attach these pieces?
Sure thing, buddy. We both are like car constructors today.
Well, just give me some time. I'll gain my slime speed to work faster than you!
We'll see about that.
What takes you so long?
And this is how this piece should look, guys. What do you say?
What an impressive start, people! Want to see what's next? Don't go anywhere!
Alright, guys, we're gonna spend a bit more time working on our car's bottom side. And here's an interesting fact for you. Toyota Motor Corporation has been doing the Toyota Supra since 1978.
The name Supra is derived from the Latin prefix, which means above or go beyond. See, you're not the only Wikipedia here, Raj.
But I seem to be the only one who's actually working here, Sam. And the underbody of our car is ready. Looks a bit like the blood vascular system of a human body, right?
Interesting. Well done, Raj. And just so you know, I wasn't twirling my thumbs either. Check out what I've done. And by the way, single-handedly.
Wow, great job, Sammy. This is cool, you know? It's all we need to build up the car frame. This is gonna be another meticulous step of this craft, guys. You're going to need a lot of patience and time for this.
Or you could give me that, Raj.
Sammy, come on!
Ask your slime friend to apply some crafting magic.
Whoa! Wow, Sammy, that was quite a trick.
Aha! Nobody can say that Sam's not working hard.
That was extremely helpful. Am I right, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you agree.
Turn that upside down, Raj.
What? Whoa, you even managed to paint it? Unbelievable!
I assumed that we were going to make our craft bright eventually.
Well, of course. Racing cars should be spectacular, right? Just recollect any movie about that. Like the Fast and Furious, for example. They filmed Supra in it, by the way.
Hey, I remember that. And this car model has also been a member of various video games. I just realized it's been a while since I played Forza or Gran Turismo. I've gotta catch up.
Sam, I have a wild idea. Why don't we finish this craft first,
And then I'll beat you at a racetrack. I mean, the PlayStation.
You're too self-assured for a slime, Sam. Why don't you go prepare the pieces we'll need for the interior of our car?
I'm on it.
In the meantime, we'll finish here. Right, guys? What we need to do now is to make the body of our car smooth and detailed. I'm gonna use a special rubber tool like this one. Here we go. Phew, as Sam would say, shiver my cheddars. Guys, I totally like what we have so far. Do you? Then give us a thumbs up and stay tuned to see more. Hey Sam, where are you? I want you to check this out. A perfectly detailed dashboard looking awesome.
Wow, it looks so real. Just as nice as these Alcantara car seats look. Made of plasticine, though. Oh, yeah. Hey, Raj, I've been wondering, why do professional sports cars have fewer seats?
That's because professional racers don't need to drive their whole families in those cars. But seriously, they make racing cars as light as possible, so that they drive really fast. So they give up on many fancy details that do not affect the operation of the car.
Ah, I see. And how many seats will our car have?
I think our Supra should be a full vehicle configuration. What do you say?
I say we better go with the black interior.
You're right, buddy. Man, I can easily imagine putting my hands on that steering wheel. Beep beep. But I'll stop daydreaming, because we still have a lot of work to do. I hope you guys don't mind me using a bit of craft magic to speed the process up. And voila! But I gotta do one more thing. Great! Do you like this, Sammy?
I love it, Raj, as always.
Now let's put up a few more pieces.
Roger, please tell me that we've come close to the painting part. I've been waiting for it since forever.
Yup, we're just about to deal with it. Guys, in order for the paint to stick better to the plasticine, we need to apply the primer first.
Also, cover the windows of your car so you don't paint the interior.
And make sure that you work in a well-ventilated room. Here we go.
Holy cannoli! This is amazing, Raj! From now on, blue is the new pink for me!
That's something new. By the way, great job with the windshield. Now it's time to make some wheels, guys. An important thing here is to take all the measurements properly. Here we go. You wouldn't want the wheels to be too big or too small for your car, right? Just smooth out all the edges, and don't forget that we're gonna need to make 4 of these.
Look what I found! I think it's yours!
Oh, thanks, buddy.
By the way, I finished with the glass!
By the way, I'm done here too.
Hey, Raj! Why didn't we put the hood in its place yet?
All right, you're so thoughtful today. We'll place it right here. Perfect match.
Interesting. Shouldn't there be something under the hood? Like a radiator and a battery, some tubes?
And a whole engine. Check this out. I've made this little guy in advance. Sweet, huh?
Shiver me jitters! It's a total blast!
Thanks for that high appreciation, Sammy.
Oh, yeah. I just have to check it out more closely. Who's with me, people? Let's do this.
Sammy, what are you up to?
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, and you, Raj, I got inspired and did something to our craft. I hope everybody doesn't mind.
All right, go on then. Show us everything.
Voila! A perfect design, incredible speed, and the most comfortable interior! That's all you need to know about this car.
That's awesome, Sammy. What detailed work you did here. And this license plate, love it.
You know, now that we practiced in-car construction a bit, I thought that maybe we could build a whole bunch of these.
No, Sammy, come on. Bye, guys. I really gotta go.
But how about making a nice little truck?